Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel और रही बात इंग्लिश सीखने की। सपोज अगर आप अपनी इंग्लिश को वाकई ही या अपने आप को एज अ पर्सनैलिटी इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो और सीरियस हो तो ही यू स्टे विद इट। अगर यू फील आपको नहीं करना है फॉर फन देखना है, आप देख लो फॉर फन, नो प्रॉब्लम। बट स्टिल आई फील अगर कोई हेल्पफुल हो, किसी को वाकई नीड टू शेयर विद दैट पर्सन। सो व्हाई आई केप्ट दिस, यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग कि मैंने फ्लावर्स क्यों रखे। आप टेल मी वन थिंग, वाइल अगर इन फ्लावर्स को देख के आपके दिमाग में ये आ रहा है रोज, गुलाब का फूल हिंदी में आ रहा है, किसी और अपनी लैंग्वेज में, नेटिव लैंग्वेज में आ रहा है, किसी पिक्चर को देख के, इट मीन्स आपकी थिंकिंग, आपकी प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है। आपके ट्रांसलेशन स्पीड इज योर। तो अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं, हम, ठीक है। तो आज टुडेज टॉपिक इज इंग्लिश। सो टुडे व्हाट आर वी, टुडेज टॉपिक इज, बेटे बेकार हो गया आज तो, 1 मिनट बेकार चला गया, बिल्कुल बेकार। सच में मैंने कितनी बार रिकॉर्ड कर लिया, सब बेकार हो गया। चलो बिस्मिल्लाह करते हैं। तो इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग मास्टरी कोर्स अगर आपको करना है तो लाइक वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक टुडे इज एपिसोड 2 एंड फ्रॉम टुडे आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्पीक इन Hindi. Okay, I'm going to be very slow. If you have any problem, any issues, you can comment down. Okay. So, what's the main reason why the people lag behind while speaking in English? Because they always translate. Translation is their problem. So, what do you need to do? You need to stop your translating habit and start thinking in English. You always think in English. You always think in a language which you want to master. It's not only for English. Any language, beta, but if you want to master any specific language, just start thinking in that specific language. If your thinking skills will develop automatically, your flow, your fluency, speed, and everything will. Okay. So the master rule is stop translating, start thinking in English. Okay. You need to think in English if you want to speak fluently in English. So, hello, introduction starts here. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to episode of our English speaking mastery course. So, in episode 1, what we learned that English is a skill and anyone can learn it with practice. See, only and only with practice you will be able to speak any specific language, be it Russian, Malaysian, be it Chinese, be it Japanese, any language. If you want to learn a language, if you want to learn how to speak a language, you must practice rather than thinking. Okay. Today we are going to discuss one of the biggest reason why the people struggle to speak English fluently. What is the reason? The people can understand the English but can't speak fluently. The reason is that translating every sentence from their native language, their first language, to English before speaking. Okay, if you think in Hindi first, if you think the first native language of yours, then this is the problem. And then you convert it to English, your speaking becomes slow. It becomes slow and unnatural. See, but understand. You need to understand one thing. Why the process becomes slow. Suppose I say, if you plant a seed, ठीक, if a roots उसके अच्छी नहीं है, fruits when a plant will provide us a fruit, when it will become a tree, okay? So roots are strong, leaves are strong, branches are strong, and if a plant roots are weak, then its performance is weak. It cannot provide you the leaves only. How it will provide you the fruits or the flowers, because the roots are weak. So translation is the main problem. It creates confusion and unnatural way of speaking and slow down the speed of your speaking. See, it doesn't matter whether you speak fast or whether you speak slow. What matter is you should speak word clearly. Okay, and the one who is communicating with you, the one who is in interaction with you should be able to understand कि how you are speaking. By the end of this lesson, you will learn how to think directly in English. Okay? By this episode, what you will be able to do, you are able to think in English directly and speak much faster and more confidently. You must be thinking, okay, why I am not giving classes for your grammars, the past tense, the future tense, and present tense, and this and that. But that things comes later. Okay, that thing will come later. Automatically, things will be happening. But first, you need confidence rather than going for grammar correction. Okay. So the part one is why translation creates problem. Okay. So part one, we are going to discuss what is the reason that translation create problems. Imagine someone asks, "What did you do today?" Suppose somebody asks this question to you, "What do you what did you do today?" So your brain, what happens? Your brain does then this. What happens in your brain? You think in your first language. Hmm? Then you translate it to English. Then you check grammar. And then finally you speak. You are getting my point? Then your brain translate it to first language. Then you translate it to English. Okay? When somebody asks, what did you do today? Okay, somebody asked you in English. This is the common question. Okay, if anybody asked you, okay, what did you do today? So, yeah, what, while asking the question only, you get nervous. Okay, you break down and you start thinking what that person has said. Okay, what did you do today? Okay, what did I do today? Then you think in your first language, the language which has been told to you from the starting of your life. Okay, then you translate it. Then after that, what you do? You check grammar whether the grammar is correct or wrong, and then you speak. So this process takes time. What happens? This process takes time. Let me give an example. Hindi thought. मैं सुबह बाजार गया. The person asks you, what did you do today? And your brain started thinking, मैं सुबह बाजार गया था और फिर ऑफिस गया. Brain start translating. I went market in the morning. After that, office. Now confusion पे. आपने सोचा, आपने पहले हिंदी में ये सोच लिया ना कि भाई पहले मैं सुबह बाजार गया था और फिर मैं ऑफिस गया. अब ब्रेन ने इसको ट्रांसलेट करना शुरू कर दिया. आई वेंट मार्केट, भाई जाने को कहती है वेंट, बाजार को कहती है मार्केट, कब गया तो सुबह गया तो मॉर्निंग हो गया. आफ्टर दैट ऑफिस, उसके बाद ऑफिस से गया. हाँ, now confusion begins. Instead of fluent speaker thinks directly in English. अब somebody who is fluent in English, somebody who speak English as a regular language, what that person will say, I went to the market in the morning and then went to work. This would be the appropriate sentence a person would respond. Okay. This happens naturally because they think in English. Why this happened? Why they are able to form sentence so quickly? Because they think in English. Now the part two. The secret of fluent speakers. Many people think fluent speaker know thousands of difficult words. This is a myth. This is a complete myth. That if you will ask me or somebody else or anybody who is good in English and fluent in English, you will think that person know thousands of words. That's not the case. That's not true. The most fluent speaker, the one who speak English fluently, always use simple language. That person always use what? They use simple language, simple English. Okay, they don't prefer difficult words. They prefer simple language. Okay, so this is the key. Are you understanding? They don't use complicated words. They use fluent, simple English. Okay, so let me give an example for this also. Instead of I am experiencing a feeling of exhaustion. And this line would be appropriate for a poet, for an author to write, okay? Or for someone who do poetry, okay? I'm experiencing a feeling of exhaustion. Instead, what actually that person is trying to say, I'm tired. Instead of I'm tired, that person is saying I'm experiencing a feeling of exhaustion. They say, I'm tired, simple. I'm tired, I should rest. Instead of I intend to consume nourishment. They say, I want to eat. Instead of doing the shira shairi with this poetry or authorness, fluent speaker, what do? They say, I want to eat. I want to have some food. Simple English is powerful English. दिमाग में बैठा लो ये बात. Simple English is the powerful English. That's what plays the role. Okay. Next is start thinking in English with objects around. Apart थर्ड में क्या कहना है? व्हाट डू वी नीड टू डू? स्टार्ट थिंकिंग इन इंग्लिश ऑब्जेक्ट्स अराउंड यू. आपके सामने जो भी चीज आ रही है, आप इधर उधर सब जगह, चेयर, बेड, स्विच बोर्ड, वाटर बॉटल, डोर, विंडो, ग्लास. ठीक. टेकिंग माई एग्जाम्पल, रिंग, क्लोथ्स, ओके, and nails, skin, whatever, hands, arm, those, see, fan, chair, table, bed, phone, bottle, book, whatever the things are around you, start picking, start naming those objects in English. Don't think in your mind, just speak. Okay? Even if you are alone, speak. And now start making small sentences. Have you ever seen a child who goes to school like in class 1, 2? What happens? What happens? From pre-primary classes, so they teach them the letters. Okay, one letter word, two letter words. धीरे धीरे, ठीक है. And then they started forming small sentences like this. This is a chair. The fan is running. My phone is on the table. The room is clean. I'm studying English. Okay. You need to practice these things. These are very common words. These are very common sentences and simple also. Start learning these. Okay. Part 4. Now, one word technique beginners don't need full sentences immediately. If you are a beginner, okay, started learning English as a language, you don't need full sentences, okay? You should have one word technique. Start learning one word. Chair, sleepers, stand. Think, only think, keep yourself limited to one word technique, okay? Start with one word. When you see a tree, think tree. Okay, when you see a car, think car. This is a car. Okay, when you see phone, you say phone. When you see bag, say bag. Train your brain to identify things directly in English. Whenever you see things, don't take those words in Hindi. Directly start thinking in English. It will take time, but it will take time approximately 1 week to 10 days. It will take for your mind to start thinking in English, okay? But you need to remind yourself, you need to work hard for the same. Have you ever seen celebrities, those who haven't gone to school? They are able to speak in English. And they speak it quite confidently and not in a rush and very calmly composed, okay? Because English is everywhere. So, what's the reason? The reason is they use simple English, okay? And keep yourself relaxed and start thinking things in English or the language you want to work on. Okay. Now, the next part is fifth, that is short sentence technique. After one word thinking, once you start having a practice of one word, okay, you are able to understand one word thinking has developed. Now, move to short sentences, the which I've given you. Instead of seeing a cup and thinking, ये मेरा cup है. Think, this is my cup. Instead of मुझे पानी पीना है, think I want water. Instead of मैं घर जा रहा हूँ, think I'm going home. Keep sentences short and easy. Part 6. Thinking about your daily activities. Whatever you do on daily basis, think in English. Let me take some water and then talk to you again. So, part 6 says, thinking. See, मैं बहुत मेहनत करूंगी इंशाल्लाह. मेरे खूब अच्छे सब्सक्राइबर्स हो जाओ, खूब अच्छे से मेरा चैनल चलता हो. तो प्लीज दुआ करें, मैं भी नहीं. ठीक है. Now let's come to the top part 6. Thinking about your daily activities. Whatever you do from morning to night, describe actions in English. Morning, suppose I woke up, I brushed my teeth. See, I woke up, huh? I brushed my teeth. ये बिल्कुल ग्रामर सेट सेंटेंसेस है. अटक बात, आईआईटी के बाद नहीं लिखा है, टू का बाद, बिकॉज फास्ट में चला गया। आई हैड ब्रेकफास्ट, आफ्टरनून, आफ्टरनून में क्या करा, आई एम वर्किंग, आई एम स्टडिंग, आई एम ईटिंग लंच, evening I'm walking, I'm talking to my friend, I'm watching TV, night I'm tired, I'm going to sleep. This simple exercise dramatically improves fluency. आप ट्राई करके देखो, ये आपको ऑटोमेटिकली फ्लुएंसी क्रिएट करेगा। डेली 5 मिनट्स थिंक इंग्लिश थिंकिंग एक्सरसाइज। मिनट वन, नेम ऑब्जेक्ट्स अराउंड यू। रोज रोज का तुम्हें ये काम करना है, 5 मिनट की एक्सरसाइज करो, थिंकिंग क्या ऑब्जेक्ट्स तुम्हारे आसपास जितने भी हैं, कहीं भी बैठो, सोचना शुरू बोलना शुरू कर दो ना इन इंग्लिश। मिनट टू, सेकंड मिनट में क्या करोगे, मेक स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस व्हिच आई गिवन यू एग्जांपल्स। मिनट थ्री, टाइप डिस्क्राइबिंग व्हाट आर यू डूइंग। ठीक है। और फोर्थ टाइप पे मिनट पे आप क्या करोगे, मतलब टाइम धीरे धीरे बढ़ाते रहोगे, एकदम टाइम एक एग्जैक्ट मिनट पे आप नहीं जा पाओगे, but still try to capture, describe what you see outside, talk to yourself in English. Okay, now example, today is a good day, I'm learning English, I will improve every day, I can speak English confidently. Give yourself positive thinking. Give yourself positive thinking, think positively, think part here, common mistakes. Now let's look back to common mistakes. Common mistake, कौन सा point है? यहाँ यही कराते हैं, ठीक है। हाँ, पार्ट एट पे आ गए थे, ठीक है। कॉमन मिस्टेक्स, व्हाट आर द कॉमन मिस्टेक, ट्राइंग टू यूज डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स। क्या प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा, if you always focus on difficult words, so you get distracted, क्योंकि you have to use difficult words. Use simple English first, okay, instead of using difficult word, use simple English first. ये this is the mistake. सेकंड मिस्टेक, भाई सिंपल वर्ड्स आते नहीं, आप डायरेक्टली डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स पे जा रहे हैं, तो कभी भी आपका सीवी क्लियर नहीं होने वाला, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। ट्रांसलेटिंग लॉन्ग हिंदी सेंटेंसेस एंड थिंक स्मॉल। आप बहुत लंबी हिंदी सेंटेंस दिमाग में ट्रांसलेट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन सोच बहुत ज्यादा लेते हैं आप सेंटेंसेस को, लेकिन तो हमेशा थिंक स्मॉल, छोटी छोटी चीजें सोचो, ज्यादा मत सोचो। तीसरा, स्टॉप वरिंग अबाउट ग्रामर वाइल स्पीकिंग। बोलते वक्त ग्रामर के बारे में जरा सोचना थोड़ा छोड़, फॉर अबाउट कुछ दिन, ठीक है, थोड़े दिन लगेंगे, थोड़े दिन छोड़ दो, कम से कम पहले बोलना तो शुरू, ठीक है ना। तो डोंट फोकस ऑन योर ग्रामर, फोकस बट स्टॉप वरिंग, टेंशन मत लो। ग्रामर पे काम तो करना जरूरी है, बट टेंशन लेके नहीं। फोकस ऑन कम्युनिकेशन, फोकस करो कि तुम बोलो, बात करो। ग्रामर इम्प्रूव्स विद प्रैक्टिस, प्रैक्टिस करोगे ग्रामर इम्प्रूव। और मिस्टेक्स कौन सी होती है, एक होती है आप टेंशन ले लेते हैं, being afraid of mistakes. You are afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. आप मिस्टेक नहीं करोगे तो आप लर्निंग क्या कर रहे हैं। फ्लुएंट स्पीकर मेड मिस्टेक्स। अगर कोई फ्लुएंटली इंग्लिश बोल रहा है तो उस बंदे ने भी मिस्टेक्स में करी है भाई, करी है, अंडरस्टैंड। प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो मिस्टेक नहीं करोगे, मिस्टेक नहीं करोगे तो कभी बोलना नहीं। सिंपल। ट्रांसलेशन शुरू, आप प्रैक्टिस चैलेंज करोगे 24 आवर्स के लिए। नेक्स्ट क्या है, पूरे 24 घंटे, पूरे एक दिन में क्या करना है आपने, मतलब एक दिन में क्या आपने आदत बना ली है, 24 घंटे हमेशा रोज का, कि जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट हो उन्हें इंग्लिश इंग्लिश के बारे में सोचो, जो भी तुम कर रहे हो वो इंग्लिश में सोचो। ओके, नेम ऑब्जेक्ट्स इन इंग्लिश, डिस्क्राइब योर एक्शन इन इंग्लिश, थिंक सिंपल थॉट्स इन इंग्लिश, अवॉइड ट्रांसलेटिंग फ्रॉम योर नेटिव और फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज, स्पीक एट लीस्ट 10 इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। ओके, Motivation corner. Remember, fluency is not about speaking difficult words or difficult English. Fluency is not at all a part of speaking difficult words or difficult English. No, fluency is about speaking simple English without hesitation. If you are hesitated, your English will never be improved. You won't be able to speak fluency. There will be no fluency, bete. There will be no fluency. If you want fluency, you need to speak English in simple words without any sort of hesitation. Every day you think in English, your brain becomes stronger and faster. So if you think in English, your brain will become stronger and faster. Now I'm going to give you some homework. Homework is very necessary, very important. Do comment down if okay, you are having the classes and doing homework also. Write 10 sentences about your day in English. Okay? Take a diary. Write. Just write somewhere. Okay? Any place you want. Be it on digital device, be on your system, be on your mobile, be on your paper, anything you write. Just write 10 sentences about your day in English. Example, I woke up at 6 a.m. I brushed my teeth. I had breakfast. I studied English. I talked to my friend. I used my phone. I watched YouTube. I helped my family. I completed my work. I'm happy today. Okay. Okay. Now, congratulations. Finally. मैं थक गई. Episode 2 has been completed. ठीक. बहुत मेहनत चल रही है भाई साहब इस काम पे. सीरियस हो जाओ. So congratulations, you have completed episode 2. Today lesson was simple but extremely powerful. It was powerful. And these are the points anybody can't say that these are my wrong points. There is lot of thinking, lot of work going on besides you. Okay, how to improve things. Okay. Now stop translating, start thinking in English. Practice this every day and you will notice your English becoming faster, smoother, and more natural. In episode 3, we will learn daily habits of fluent English speakers. Okay. Keep practicing, keep speaking. See you in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Thank you.